Morning. So guys, I've just finished washing my hair and I need to tie it. Actually, I need to go to a hair salon for them to cut it, and so I don't have to always have the same hairstyle. Anyways, today I'm gonna go to the nail salon to do my nails because my nails are shit. But I just wanted to show you the room. I did start vlogging the other day, but then Missy here nearly fainted, so I had to go on bed rest. Yeah, but let me show you the room, what we've done with it, and yeah, and then we'll go do our nails. Actually, I'll do my hair first and then we'll go do our nails. So we fixed the lighting, and then my hubby painted a picture, did the walls obviously. We did the burglar guard, it's now black. Did the whole painting obviously. The bed and my pillow that I need for my pregnancy that I'm not using yet. And then we did an accent wall. So what's left now is for us to paint the cupboard and the door because wow, filthy. But yeah, that's our room, and the TV needs to go up. I think we're gonna put what do you call it, that thing to make the TV swivel instead of just putting it on the chest of drawers. We need to get a chest of drawers soon as well. But yeah, there's a room. Carpet needs to be cleaned, so people are gonna come over and clean. So there's a room. Oh, actually I forgot, me and hubby painted this. We made this and I want like a faux flower thing to hang, like a greeny plant. That'll be cute. So yeah, here's the room. I think as well, let me show you the bathroom so far because that's gone far along. Still more to do, but I'll show you. And then after that, guys, I'll only do my hair quickly and then hit the road, Jack. I don't know the words. So the bathroom, guys, tiles are still shit, but walls have been painted, and then I think this is plaster, I'm not really sure. So yeah, the bathtub is still green, but it's nicer now, hey. And then this is like him doing, so basically this is gonna be an accent wall and we textured sorry. And then he said he wants to make a sink, so we're gonna remove the sink now and not paint it. But yeah, he also made a lighting which I shared on my Instagram, but you'll see you guys at the end. And then obviously he's gonna do the flooring when he's done with everything. Yeah. I look like Scary Spice. Guys, and now I like this dress because it fits me. Whereas before, because I got hips and I'm skinny at the top, like it just didn't look nice on me. But now that I am preggers, I think it kind of suits me now, so I can wear it. I'm happy because this dress is old and I haven't worn it much. I think this is the third time I've worn it, and it's been like since 2018 or 19. So yeah. What's wrong, my love? You want to be in my vlog?
Nope.
That's why you're looking at me like that.
I didn't know you were vlogging. I thought you were using it as a mirror.
A mirror? No. So guys, I quickly did my hair and it shits. It's proper shit, eh? Because because I dropped coconut oil. So yeah, I dropped my, what would you call, container of coconut oil, and it's spilled all over the bathroom. So I was cleaning that. So I'm late for my nails and my hair looks like crap, but I'll fix it later. Do you want to see someone's hair? Do you want to show them your haircut?
Yeah, okay. It looks gorgeous.
Are you gorgeous? Okay, Mr. Gorgeous. Look at you biting your lip.
Myself.
Who are you biting your lip for?
Myself.
Who are you touching your breast for?
Myself.
hairstyle. And
It's
you
not a
look sick.
hairstyle.
What is
This
it?
is not a style.
What is
There's
it?
no hair to style.
Okay. I love you. Bye.
Love you too. Bye.
You just don't want to kiss me, isn't it? Come. My love, why you give me spit? I got that on camera as well, hey? Love you. Alright. How what? I'm vlogging today, hey?
You can do it to a round shape.
Yeah. So guys, me and Hayden are at a restaurant last minute. We were meant to go to Woolies, but I saw pizza and I was like, I'm hungry and I want pizza. And there's a special, isn't it?
Yeah.
2 for 170, so it was just good. So I'm not middle-aged yet, huh?
You're going to be 35 at the end of the year. At the end of the year,
12 months.
11 months and like a couple days.
No,
In 11 months, you are middle-aged. You must start looking at a retirement package.
Because by the time I'm 45, you're going to be in crutches. Because of your back, your proper cards.
By the time you're 45,
Are we ready?
no, you won't.
Yes, I will.
You're going to get to a point, like people say black don't crack, but it gets to a point where it just melts. It doesn't crack, it melts.
I'm not going to lie about vlog. So when are we painting our room?
This weekend.
So it's this weekend now.
When did you want it to be?
I thought we started this week.
Yeah, but I'm going to be on site the whole day.
Ooh. So I have the house to myself. I love the lighting is so good this side. Like I look so pretty.
It's the reflection of my beautiful face. And I put cream on my forehead to make it silky smooth. Next time a guy looks at you, I'm like, hey, what the fuck out there? With a silky smooth headbutt.
So, just waiting for our pizzas, guys. I'm so hungry. I just left.
Do you want to? I wasn't asking because I was interested. I was asking because of the plans. You wanted to care if you told me.
Balsamic vinegar. Okay, I should have tasted the pizza first before like doing the whole putting the balsamic vinegar. It's really good. Do you like yours?
Yeah.
Yes, clean it, boo boo. You're so dumb, please. Yeah, I think get this one. Which one is softer? Ish, no, that one looks rough.
This one?
I think, okay, put that one in.
It's quite cool, eh?
Actually, nice covers. Really nice. Actually, yeah. Oh, sexy.
This is nice.
Ooh, yeah. Looks like a devil's book though.
Gryffindor.
Hi, how are you? Yeah, do you have Bridgerton books?
Yes, you do.
Oh.
Looking for a specific one?
To be honest, I read like number 3. Like I just skipped number 1 and 2. But apparently number 1 and 2 was boring, so.
I've already watched this. Yeah, they are here.
Oh, okay.
There's more by her.
So I have this one, but I don't know which one I want to get next.
Here's a big word for you. What does this word say?
This is a big word.
This big word. What does it say?
You're full of shit. Birth. No. BIRTHDAY. What does it spell? Peanut butter.
You fucking dumb.
Have you seen that video? The Nutella one. He reads Nutella. It's like NUTEL. He's like, what does it spell? Peanut butter. So guys, I'm getting this book because it's cheap. And I'm going to read it in Cape Town. Okay guys, we're back home. And now I'm going to open my stroller. Well, the baby stroller. So it actually came like a couple of days ago. But I've been waiting to record it. So yeah, let's open it. Hi, Mom. It's hot. I must die. Madam, you can't tell me I must die. Madam, you could have at least open it for me and then I'll do the rest. No, but I'm already opening it. But I'm just saying you could have. Okay, so that's how it comes in the box. I'm dying. Okay, the wheel V and the other wheel. Yo, my love, this thing is super big. It's heavy, hey? Did you feel the thingy?
What else do you hold it?
Nothing. You can go.
That's a lie. Do you know how to put this together? Are you putting it together?
No, I'm just gonna show it. Do I have to put it
You
together?
don't have to. I think you can do
Another video how to put it together.
another video of you putting it together.
Okay.
When it isn't 55,000 degrees.
It is so hot when you're having a heat wave. Oh, it's actually so cute. Well, are you ready to hold this from the hospital? Okay, let me do this first. How do I move it? Oh, like this. Like this. It's heavy. I can't carry this by myself. You have to carry it. Oh, look, I get a bag. So do I really need a bag then?
Thankfully, we never bought one.
So, yeah, I get a bag. Oh, okay, here's the traveling thing inside. And the weatherproof thing, is it weatherproof? Rainproof?
Rainproof cover?
Yeah.
Cool.
I just felt a trickle of my sweat going down my thigh, the back of my thigh. I've never experienced that in my entire life.
Well, guys.
Who's
seen as- Guys. We have a fan.
No, but they can't hear me if there's a fan. Okay, here's the frame. My love, my underarms are pitting.
Pitting. You've had a hard day at work today.
I did.
That's the user manual. We don't need that.
My love, if you break it, I promise you.
It's self-explanatory. It has 4 wheels. It opens. Surely? No. This should open it up.
No.
This should open up.
So do you need...
We don't need the manual.
So this is like the... What do you call it? It's also a bassinet, but it changes into, I mean, it's more of a chair, push chair, and then it goes as a bassinet as well.
And this. I don't know.
Oh no, this one is like when the baby is in a bassinet vibes.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Over the top like this.
Yeah.
And then this has a handle, surely. Does it? No.
Mm-hmm.
And then to undo it, to get it out, yeah.
No, but change it now into like a car seat. Do you know how to do that?
Into a car seat.
I mean, a pushchair seat. You have to remove this. You see? Ah! Do you like it? It's cute. And it was 11K. So reasonable, but still stylish. Wow, guys, I should look. Yeah, okay, I'm done, guys. So we have the pushchair, and it's gonna go back in the box because we're not using it for a couple of more months. Yeah, guys, I have to go now because I can't think, I can't do anything. It's so hot. Like, I need a break. Love you. I'll see you in my next vlog.